Welcome, my people. So here I'm making a chocolate ganache that I'll be using for my cake. So these are white chocolate bars that I'm trying to break into pieces, and the next thing is for me to melt them. Now I've done that with my microwave oven, so it's quite, looks watery a bit. And the next is I'm gonna add my double cream into it. This is a very quick ganache, it's not the regular ones. With this, you can get ganache ready within few minutes, unlike the regular one that can take hours. So the next for me to whip this ganache into a smooth paste. So I'll whip it for about 2 minutes or so because it shouldn't be over whipped at the same time. And when it's quite smooth and creamy enough, I can then use it as my, as my ganache. Like it is now, it's ready and ready for me to use as my ganache. The importance of ganache on cake is that it helps to give that cake the firm foundation. Like now with this cake now, I'm making a fondantized cake. So applying this ganache as my foundation, as my layer, helps with a smooth finishing, because at the end my cake came out very smooth and looks quite professional. So this ganache, you can give it a try. It's straightforward, it's easy to use, and it hasn't disappointed me since when I started using this method of ganache. Yeah, so that's it. I just apply it on the cake and then I can comb it so I can have that smooth layers. Then I kept it in the fridge for a while so it can frame up, then trim off the edges and do a final combine till I get that smooth and perfect shape that I'm looking for. So with this, I have that good foundation to lay my fondant on, and you can also lay your buttercream on it depending on what your clients are looking for or what you want, because it could be a cake that you're making for yourself. And now that is done, and here is my fondant sitting pretty on the chocolate ganache foundation. Tell me, what are your thoughts? Please, if you have not followed my page, please give me a follow. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.